hot. Paawa naman kayo.
How do you know about the box?
Sinabi ko, just now.
There was no hujat.
I'm sorry. I'm waiting for Kuya's hujat. I'm sorry.
Sa kwarto na lang yan. Kasi yun nga, full guard daw sila dapat.
Ako, gusto ko kayong papasukin. Kuya, kung nakikinig po kayo, hindi pa ako kasali dyan sa decision na yan.
Oh, sigurado ba tayo ano mangyayari?
Ay, bahala
Let's go to the room. Let's go to the room.
Ang gawin natin, punta tayo sa kwarto. Yung iba, pagbabantay niyan, yung iba
I think it's a sad.
Mag-ano?
So what kung ubusin lang ang food natin? May daily supplies, ganun din naman, gulay din naman ang ano natin eh. Ang importante, pinapasok natin sila kasi guest
Oo,
sila.
ganun din, di ba?
Kung yan lang,
We don't have food. That's okay.
kung yan lang ang problema natin, we can all protect that.
But I'm just worried about the box. Who cares about the food? Food is food. Let's take the box into the...
Bisita yan eh.
Pasukin nyo na.
Wait, malapit, sandali lang.
Wait lang, nag-argue pa eh. It doesn't make sense. Whatever. Walang hujat na siya.
Katulad ng picture, hindi naman natin alam kung bakit nandoon yun. Pero later on, nalaman natin with Tita. Okay. Oh, kung meron silang intention, ubusin lang food natin, so what? Ubusin lang food natin, wala naman tayong magagawa.
And it could be the exact opposite. If one of them comes in, we lose our weekly task.
We don't know yet.
Exactly.
Oh, so bakit? Pero tao naman sila. Why don't we let them in? Guest sila.
Diba? Hindi
There was
natin
no hujat.
Hindi natin naisip. Diba kaya nilak yan na sa purpose?
Pero at least ang
Oh,
decision natin,
go. I'm gonna go stay in the boys' bedroom.
Ako din.
key.
Where's there?
I'll get it.
Doon ako.
I'm there too.
Oh,
I'm
bantay.
not gonna be. They are not allowed to come in the room. Sorry.
Sandali lang.
I mean, it's okay, feed them. Yeah, but just, the box is the box.
Sabi ko, doon na lang.
Makikilala na lang natin sila paglabas.
I don't even know who they are.
Point ko lang, ako before ko kunin yung kinin, kung alam ko ayaw nyo, pero guest kasi yun. So,
Yeah, so let them in.
sandali lang, I'm trying to explain so you can, di ba? Hindi naman ako nag-argue dito na kung dahil pinipilit ko eh. At least you would understand.
I understand. Let them in. They're gas feet and they're hungry.
Naisip.
Thank you, Divine.
I understand. That's why I said
Sandali, no. Ang point lang is, why would Kuya just randomly put people with a lock?
It can be any point. Isipin mo.
And sila mismo pumipilit na pumasok.
Kasi naalala ko dati later, pag meron mga guest si Kuya.
But that was that day. I don't even know anything about the show even before.
Okay, pero ikaw as a person, pag pinapasok mo siya, kahit magalit si Kuya,
Ano dati?
at least may reasoning ka.
It says in the rulebook also, don't do anything unless Kuya gives a hujat. He
He
gave us a
Ako, I
fresh
want to
new
risk
rulebook.
that. Gusto ko i-risk yun.
No, ako actually, tinanong ko kahapon si Kuya. Kuya, can we go into the resort when we wake up tomorrow? You don't open the gate. Ang sabi ni Kuya, you don't open the gate until I give you a jet.
Don't you think hindi yan hujat?
No,
Na meron tao sa labas?
That's not from Kuya.
I think it's
Still.
a test.
No, makes sense.
Ako, ang reason ko lang
If
naman.
we lose, then it's Paco's fault. Paco will take the blame.
I don't want to risk that.
No, but Kuya said, ano ba, kakasabi lang ni Kuya, importante,
Bantayan.
sundan din yung rules ni Kuya.
And Kuya said, wait for his hujat.
Yeah.
Ay, oo nga, no.
Tinanong ko talaga. Yung hujat ni Kuya, what I've known is that
Teka,
no, I
wait,
understand
nasa
the
rules na
intercom.
hindi tayo pwedeng kumausap sa mga outside world na tao.
Hindi naman sila outside world.
They're
came
trying to
from
make us feel
outside
sorry for
work,
them.
so
They
They're
have to
ex-housemate.
I don't know what they will do
Here.
here.
Yeah.
Guest pa rin sila. Alam
know,
mo kasi
that
dati,
is
pag may
like
guest si
a
Kuya,
distraction
dati
or
nakakostume pa ng unggoy eh. Isa sa mga test yun, patapos na yun. Tapos, nung papasok yung unggoy, sobrang paranoid na nilang lahat. Inaway nila, pinalayo nila, tapos biglang tinanggal, ex-housemate, or isa sa mga guest. Tapos tinanong sila lahat ni Kuya, ganyan yung ba itrato mga guest ko na kahit na ako nagpapasok niyan eh.
Pero walang hujat si Kuya.
Pero ikaw nga, kung ikaw, may bahay ka, tapos kilala mo yung mga tao na yan. Kilala ni
You
Kuya.
know them. I don't know them.
But still, ang point, hindi sa akin, hindi ko kilala. Ay, si Kuya.
It doesn't-
Ex-housemate, andyan si Luz, andyan si Kigoy. Anong point yan?
So what? Like what we all said, we
Kung
usually
magalit
put
man
Kuya's
si Kuya
hujat.
kayo, don't you think you have to make a stand? Kuya, I know those people.
I don't know
Half those
At
people.
least I know some of them.
You know them, but we
You
don't know
see,
why
right?
they're here.
Diba?
There's a reason why they came from the resort and not from inside
That's
here.
the point. It's a test.
Exactly. We
It
have
can
to
be a
wait for
test
Kuya
both ways.
Sujat.
Ako, I'm making a stand.
Oh,
Kilala ko sila.
for me, I'm not
If Kuya
risking
asked
it.
me, if Kuya
There's
asked
a
me,
reason why it's locked.
but still, if Kuya asked me, bakit mo pinapasok ako, I will tell Kuya, I know those people and they're your guests. Ikaw nagpapasok dyan. Nilagay mo yung lock na yan because
Actually,
it's a test.
either way, it should be a test. Either way. It could be a test. Oh, why didn't you just
But you know me.
Sabihin ni Kuya, oh, why didn't you treat my guests well? Or, pwede sabihin ni Kuya, why did you
bakit di
open
sila pinapasok?
pinapasok na sinabi ko sa inyo, lock lang yun. So,
Ako, we just
it's a toss-up. Pero sa akin, tinanong ko talaga si Kuya kagabi, Kuya, pwede ba pagising namin, buksan namin ang resort? Kasi akala ko may gagawin lang. Sabi niya, magbibigay ako ng hudyat kung pwede nang buksan.
You guys know me. I'd rather be safe. I'd wait for Kuya Sujat.
Kasi sabi ni Kuya.
Ako, I want to make a stand.
For me, if they're mad, I don't care. I don't know them. Let them be mad at me. That's just my opinion.
Tapos ay task.
I think they just follow the Kuya. There's nothing to say about them, right?
Hindi na pwede kayo.
They're not open.
Oo, hindi kasi pa ako. Yun din, kahit gusto natin silang papasukin, nasa rules yun na.
Kung gusto
Oo.
nila pumasok,
Pero ikaw,
di
anong
pasagin
tingin mo?
nila.
Anong tingin mo?
Pero, alam
sila
nila yung
lahat
rules,
pwedeng-
di susundan nila.
All of them controversial housemates. Like, sila yung may mga issues lahat. Hello, background of all people, all controversial housemates. Like,
May mga
Baron,
Ako dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, oo.
A lot of them.
si Kigoy, si Luz, you know.
Si Baron Geisler.
Baron, guys.
Si Beauty.
Beauty. Beauty, anong...
Si Beauty. Taga
anong-
Cebu
Oo,
yan.
alam ko. Anong nangyari sa kanya?
Ano lang, crazy lang ata siya dito sa bahay.
Yung mga ganyan.
So tingin mo rin naman huwag natin silang pahitin.
Sila lahat, parang character na
Paano ba? Kasi wala din mo dyan si Kuya. Gusto nga natin silang papasukin.
If they wanted something from us, it would be easy for them to do it. Because that's why they're picking
Why
at
is
the
Papa
food.
so
Actually,
anxious to open the
He
gate?
didn't even think about it.
Hindi niya naisip ko ano mangyayari.
Yeah, if they're saying that there's someone, they just came from the outside world.
Hindi
We
natin alam
have
kung bago may secret sila. Pwede.
Oo, baka yan yung secret task niya, nakabuksan niya.
Hindi natin alam, pagpasok nila, they're gonna hold us out and get to the box. Simple.
Madaling masagin yan.
And plus, we can't close the door. We can't hold the door closed, because that's bawal.
No, there's no Hujat.
Ano, tsaka walang hudit si Kuya. Wala, yan, natatakot na tuloy ako.
You can stay out there.
Okay, you guys decide.
Yun ang sabi ni Kuya, sundan niyo yung rules. Diba?
Follow the rules. Naalala mo yan.
Yes.
Yeah, follow the rules. He didn't say. Bro, if they were just saying, guys, just let us in. Bro, they're doing it so like we have to open the door for them. Like we have to feel sorry for them. Kasi bakit sila
Baka naman
magpapagdito? Galing na sila
they're also
dito.
trying to make us feel na, sige, may task kami, pero wala naman talaga. And then, yun yung point ni Kuya, how far will you go for it? Kung anong mga things na kailangan mo i-risk, anong things na mga kailangan mo i-sacrifice.
We'll decide as a group na lang.
But,
Vote open?
Yeah, pero you have to make
Both
a stand.
open.
No, vote open.
Open.
Vote close.
Ako.
Ikaw pa
There's
mo.
no Hujat.
Sorry, ang nanalo ay close. So close. Stop ang usapan.
Can I go outside? At least? I want to meet them.
Yeah, but you can't open the
Can you slide through? Because like, it
Lock
opens
it if
pretty
you
big.
want.
No, not opening it in the first
Kasi
place.
di ba, tapos na napag-usapan.
Kasi if opening natin in the first place, na-break na tayo ng rule.
oo, yun yung rule eh.